Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start investing in REITs with RealtyMogul, complete guide step by step clearly. To start investing in REITs with RealtyMogul, first, create an account on the RealtyMogul website. Visit the RealtyMogul homepage and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Next, verify your email by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once your account is activated, log in to RealtyMogul. Now, review the available investment opportunities. Navigate to the Investments section to explore the current REIT offerings. Each listing includes detailed information about the property, expected returns, and risks. Take your time to read through the project summaries and financials. If you have questions, utilize the customer support chat or FAQs for assistance. Once you find an opportunity that interests you, click on it for more details. Check the minimum investment requirement for the REIT you are considering. Decide how much you wish to invest within the set limits. To proceed, click on the Invest Now button on the REIT's page. This will take you to the investment form where you input your investment amount. Fill in your payment information securely for the transaction. Review the investment summary and confirm all details are correct. After verifying, submit your investment and wait for confirmation. You will receive email notifications about the status of your investment. Make sure to monitor your investment's performance through your RealtyMogul dashboard. Review regular updates and reports provided by RealtyMogul. Finally, consider diversifying your investments in multiple REITs over time. This approach can help spread your risk while maximizing potential returns. With these steps, you are now equipped to start your journey in investing in REITs through RealtyMogul. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.